In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in Whimsical. This is an essential skill to master whether you're organizing a flowchart, wireframe, or brainstorming ideas. So let's dive in and walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly. First up, you'll need to access Whimsical. Head over to the Whimsical login page. Once there, you can log in easily by selecting the Login with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to access your account, especially if you have your Google account linked to Whimsical. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you have multiple. Simply click on the account you want to use and you're all set. Once logged into your account, locate and open the board you plan to work on. It might be a flowchart, a wireframe, or any other type of board you need to organize. Now that your board is open, it's time to select the objects you want to align. Click and drag your mouse to select multiple items. Hold down the Shift key if you need to select additional objects that aren't adjacent to those you've initially highlighted. Having your objects selected will allow you to make bulk adjustments quickly and efficiently. Once you've got your objects selected, navigate to the alignment options. You can begin by centering the objects horizontally. This option ensures that all selected items are aligned to a central axis, making your board look cleaner and more visually appealing. Additionally, you have the option to align objects to the left or right, depending on your specific design needs. Another useful technique is the click and drag method. This allows for more intuitive alignment by moving the object manually. As you drag an object, Whimsical has a very handy feature that automatically snaps the object into alignment with surrounding items. This snapping feature helps maintain a consistent structure across your board without having to eyeball the placement. Finally, it's time for you to experiment with these tools. Try it out on your board. Play with the different alignment options and see what works best for your layout. Remember, good alignment can hugely enhance the clarity and professionalism of your visual presentation. And that's all there is to it. Aligning your objects in Whimsical is straightforward and helps keep your projects neat and organized. With practice, you'll become efficient at arranging elements, making your boards look polished and aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about using Whimsical, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for help. Happy designing!